Hey, welcome everybody. It's Daniel. Just making a quick YouTube video to go over your assignment for Thursday and Friday. Uh, so for the next 2 days, you guys are just going to be doing some readings for today and tomorrow. I'm going to ask you guys to read pages 193 to 194 in the red book slash online textbook. Or if you only have the purple book, it'll be on pages 167 to 168. You'll be looking at the Gupta Empire, which was the empire that came after the Mauryan Empire. And so after you've read through these 2 pages, you're going to answer 5 questions in full complete sentences. Please be sure to number your responses, like, number one, then your answer number two, and so on. Be sure your answers are in full complete sentences. Actually read your responses. Make sure that, you know, there's a capitalization, there's a period. It makes sense when you read it out loud. And make sure that your responses are in your own words. If I find that you've copied from the internet or from somebody else, you won't get any points, and I'll just send a message home. And this assignment is due Friday by 3 p.m. The 5 questions that you're going to be focused on is first, what do historians mean when they consider a time period to be a golden age? Many historians call the Gupta Empire the golden age of ancient India. So you're going to be looking at like what a golden age is defined as, and that'll be on page 193, which will talk about, usually golden ages focus on times of great prosperity and achievement, particularly in art, literature, and, mathematics and science. So after that, you're going to, answer why is a golden age more likely to happen during times of peace and stability instead of, an unstable time. And that also comes from the reading on page 193. And then what happened after the fall of the Mauryan Empire? How did marriages arranged between the Gupta family and sons and daughters of other rulers help strengthen the power of the Gupta Empire? The Guptas were very, very strategic, and we have talked about that India was a very diverse area made up of very independent city states. And so, one of the ways that the Gupta Empire was able to strengthen their rule was through very clever marriages. So, just describe this strategy and how they were able to use, marriage as a way to make themselves more powerful. And please make sure you mention alliance in your response, because part of the reason why they would form these marriages would be to build stronger alliances with other kingdoms. And then finally, what was one major difference between the Mauryan Empire and the Gupta Empire? So that's what you guys are going to be reading. It's going to be pages 193 and 194. This is going to be your focus. It's going to be your last assignment from history before spring break. Tomorrow I will be hosting optional office hours on Zoom from 12 to 1, and the link is right here. And tomorrow I'll be posting the Zoom link for the Fun Friday Kahoot, which will be from 2:20 to 2:40. It's not required. It's just like if you want to catch up with people, play some Kahoot, and have some fun, and feel kind of as normal as we can in the situation, I invite you to come. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You're going to be answering these questions either in a Google Doc or a Juno Doc and submitting them onto Jupyter. But yeah, if you have any questions, just please email me. And I hope you guys are doing well. And I hope you guys have a restful spring break. Okay? Be safe. Signing out.